Alright, I'm going to show you a little trick for getting off a stuck potentiometer. See, we already got one off. And we're going to try to get this other one off down here. So, I'm going to get you a hair dryer. Heat this thing up a little bit. You don't want to go too hot, melt your plastic. And you're going to get a thin piece of cloth. This is like some stretchy Under Armour. I cut into it so I can get a real thin spot. So you want to go and sneak this underneath and find a spot where you can slide it in.
Okay. I promise you. We're gonna survive till 99.
This one's being difficult.
Here's a med kit. Thank you.
You slide that in, get it all the way around. And you cinch it up. Get some
Okay, let's
more.
go down.
And you cinch it up tight like that. There you go.